to all the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyata here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a special lock technique called the Braided Loc Petal. So if you would like to see how I created these beautiful braided lock petals, keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and get into these legendary braided lock petals. First things first, we're not going to be doing this like a traditional lock petal because they're plaits. We have to do them a little bit different. Okay, so fold it down once to the base. Try and get this as close to the base of your ponytail as you can, because unfortunately the way we like tighten up our lock petals, I do not believe that will be achievable with these braided lock petals. Okay, please, there, one fold, and then we're gonna do another fold straight to the base, just like that, straight at the base. And we're gonna go ahead and put our rubber band on. And this, my darlings, okay, there you go. And this process here, doing these petals, is pretty repetitive. I know that it doesn't look like much right now, but trust me, when I'm done, this is gonna look so cute, y'all, okay? So just like I always say, trust the process. So another one, we're gonna take a plait, fold it down to the base, okay? We're gonna take a rubber band, and remind you I just folded once down to the base. Take a rubber band, put the rubber band on there, and we're gonna fold it twice. We're gonna bend it down, back to the base, and we're gonna go ahead and put the rubber band on. See? Braided petals, yes. When have y'all ever? Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do one more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera because it's pretty repetitive. Okay, so I have one, and I'm going to move this out of the way. So take my little long plait, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it once, straight to the base, put it on a rubber band at the base. Fold it once, see? It's just one time. I'm gonna go ahead and take that and fold it down again, one time. And I'm going to fold it to the base, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a rubber band to that base. And these petals are going to be so cute when I'm done. Okay, it's quite a bit of them. I hope this video was helpful for you guys in learning how to do this lock technique, the braided lock petal. Feel free to rewind this video if necessary. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to be utilizing this lock technique in any of your future styles. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from me. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Kenyata here.